Friends, in this video for iThro Advisor, I'm going to talk to you on a topic, starting a new position. If you are a part of our advisory activity and you're one of our esteemed clients, you're familiar with the fact that a lot of our investing is thematic. We put together multiple themes to create an investment portfolio that suits your risk profile, your risk appetite, and your return expectations. Starting a new position is very, very critical. Earlier, let's say 10 years ago, we waited for the conviction levels to reach such a thing that we want to start a big position, like when we start a position, it was at the highest point of conviction. But what happened is that it gave us very little time. So, by the time the highest conviction in a position is reached, what would happen is the market would have got similar conviction and we would not be early birds. So, effectively, the window of time available for us to convince you would be very narrow. I found that a lot of our investors were missing out on opportunities because let's say I asked you to buy a particular fund. I tell it when it's probably just about to lift off, when the theme is going to get broader market acceptance. It doesn't give you enough time to invest. You may not have your money ready, your savings may be coming months later, you may not be mentally prepared to buy a new theme, or you may be worried about something not connected to that theme, like what is the overall return in my portfolio today. And if it's at a point in the market cycle where the index is low but our conviction in the theme is very high, you may be driven by the returns in the portfolio or in the index and saying that, oh, probably this is not a great time to buy. This has hurt people in many ways because a lot of our clients, people whom we want to scale up their investments and take advantage of every theme that we ideate, did not participate in them. So when I see that portfolio after a while and wonder why he did not participate, then we realize that the response time given to the investor was not enough, or the investor is not as mentally prepared as he ought to be to take a high conviction position. This made us rethink our whole process and we started doing it differently. And many of you would have seen that in the recent years. The reason I am saying this to you today is that I still find a lot of people very hesitant to even start a small position, what I call as a starter position in a new theme. And the reasons which people give are completely unconnected to that theme. They are connected to other factors, like they would say that, oh, this particular thing is not doing as well as the Nifty, or why did we not buy something else rather than this investment. So they are actually focusing on some of the existing investments which are probably going to perform well in the next 1 year and losing focus of the new investment in which we need to invest now. That is why I am trying to explain to you that you need to view each investment on merit. Each investment has a cycle time, let's say 5-6 years. If an investment doubles in 5 or 6 years, it still meets your investment objectives. It beats inflation in a very convincing way and it gives you returns which definitely ensure overall portfolio performance. So the fact that 1 or 2 themes are taking longer should not make you lose your focus on newer things in which you need to participate. To me, from an advisory viewpoint, making sure that you participate in every theme that suits your risk profile, your risk appetite and can fulfill your return expectations is the primary objective. It's a very, very critical thing. So if you don't participate and you miss 1 or 2 themes and those 2 themes turn out to be the best performing ones, then your returns are not going to be what you will like. So as an advisor, it's extremely critical for me to ensure that you participate. So it is important that you understand how we start a new position. Today, we do research on a new position for a long time. We have a universe of new ideas and teams which we keep on discussing and updating. Every week, constantly discussions happen. We keep comparing the valuations which prevail at a particular time to an earlier time point. Suppose I've started thinking about a new team, and at that point the valuations are at, let's say, level 10. If they come to level 8 and I am reviewing it, I compare, oh, it's come down 20%. Now it's become even more cheaper and far more attractive than when I initially liked it. And we come to a point where we think, okay, now we should not wait, we must start, must at least make a beginning. And this beginning can be built upon. So that is how we look at the point at which we start a new position. When we come to that point where we feel that yes, there is enough evidence, there is enough conviction, we have studied it enough for us to decide to start, we want to make that beginning. So when we come to you, when your advisor comes to you and tells you, we need to start this new position, a 2 or a 3 or a 5% position in this new idea, it means that he is bringing to you months of effort, months of monitoring, months of internal debate, months of evaluation, and a decision which we have arrived through consensus that probably we should not delay much longer. When we come to that point, he brings the idea to you, because the starting point has to be a point where we have ample time to scale up that investment. You may ask, so what happens if I start a position and then the investment falls by, let's say, 10 or 20%? It means that that position gives you more opportunity to invest more money at more attractive levels. It also gives you time to monitor the investment, to build conviction to a much higher level also. You started the position at a point where your conviction is adequate, but the time it gives you to raise your conviction further makes you start believing even more in that idea. It gives you more visibility. You're constantly thinking about the idea and the theme and seeing what has changed to make that idea even more favorable. So when that happens, you can actually do more in that idea. But the critical thing, and what I want you to focus upon primarily, is that when an advisor comes to you with a starter position saying that he wants to start a new position, he has come after a lot of groundwork, ample preparation, arrival of a consensus decision, and we are clear that it can't wait any longer. The time when we say that please start this position is the time when we can't afford to delay much longer to begin. I'm sure that the idea may give you a little bit of time to understand it better once you begin, so that you can achieve scale. But don't wait to start, because if you wait to start, you may actually miss the position altogether. You may not buy it at all if the idea runs away, or you may not invest enough in the position to give you a sizable position. Position sizing is very important in every idea or theme, so making the beginning when we tell you that it is the right time is critical for us to scale up that position and take it to a point where we feel, yes, I loved this idea right from the beginning. It gave me opportunities to buy more. I actually made the best use of those opportunities. I bought even when the fund fell or the theme showed some short-term underperformance. I actually built more and more at lower levels so that my overall position sizing was right, and the way it was bought gave me a lower cost on the overall position. So to achieve all that, the beginning cannot be delayed. You need to start. Give yourself room to play a long and successful innings. You can't wait to play your theme, which is as such a complex one, like it's a T20 match, because one good ball can get you out. And it's always good to get in early, get your eye in, see the ball clearly, start stroking and creating a good score in that position so that you can go on to make a very big score. So starting cannot wait, conviction cannot wait. Once conviction is ample, that is when we would come to you with advice. It's very important that you quickly evaluate, understand the advice and accept it so that we go the full distance and create success for you in a way that you will feel happy about and contented. This is what I would want each one of you, especially those who have positions which you missed, those who have not invested much in the last 1 or 2 years, waiting for that perfect moment, those who have not achieved scale in your advisory portfolios, which we have curated for you. You need to understand this very, very clearly and apply what I am telling in a positive way. We are taking great care to ensure that your success happens and gives you a good investment experience. But for that, we need your cooperation. You cannot afford to be in this state of inertia. You need to participate in new themes, because over the next 12 to 18 months, we are going to bring in 3 or 4 new themes at least. And those themes will be the performing engines of your portfolio in the future. Whatever themes you hold now will probably perform in the next 1 or 2 years, and beyond that they may not perform. Giving yourself time to build the portfolio of the future means that you need to invest now without further delay. In this video, this is the message that I wanted to convey to you, so that every one of you who has been with us on this journey for years together and placed your trust in us, achieve scale in your portfolios, never miss out on opportunities like some of you may have in the last 2 years, participate in every theme without missing out on any, and ensure that you build your conviction by participating regularly, and through that conviction you achieve scale. It's very important for us that our clients achieve scale in their investments, because that scale is going to determine whether their investment objectives, their financial goals and their future needs are met successfully. For us, there can be nothing more important, and that is why I am coming to you with this very clear idea on what you need to do, how you need to build your conviction, how you need to translate your conviction into regular concerted investment actions, and how all these actions will give you future investment success. We look forward to having with you on this journey with the iThought way. We thank you for the trust you have placed with us, and we feel very responsible for that. Thank you very much.